Check out this 2012 GMC Acadia. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.